Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove a main rotating brush on a DREAME L20 Ultra. To do this, first we'll need to flip our robot upside down like I have right here. Then you can find the main rotating brush right here again. And now what we need to do is press on the two buttons that are located right here at the same time, then pull the cover up like that. Now we can grab our main rotating brush, and I think you need to pull it to the right and then move it up like this, and then we can remove it and preferably clean it. Now to insert it back in, we'll need to align the square slot right here to the square plug on the right. Just fiddle it in until it fits nicely, then we can let down the main rotating brush, check if it rotates properly, grab the cover. You can also press on those two buttons and then just slide it in. When it doesn't go off on its own like this, that means we've inserted properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.